Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, mag-unboxing na naman tayo and maybe a little bit review because I bought some stuff and it's arrived today. So, ang gagawin natin is unboxing and review. The first one, hindi naman to siya marami kasi tatlong ano lang to. The first one I got is charan! Last week, the news said the Beast from the East is coming, but it's rubbish. It's not accurate, the weather, so this is gonna be wasted and this is gonna stay in the barn now because the snow is already gone. So, hindi ito magagamit ni James. Yung kanyang snow sledge. It's a shame really because last time yung nag-snow, he's really jealous with the other kids kasi nga gusto niya ng slide. Last week nga kasi yung news sabi na mag-snow dito but it never happened. Nag-snow naman but it's not too bad as not like last time. So this is gonna be wasted. But anyhow, you can still use it until I don't know what age. But yes, it's just arrived today. Hindi siya naka-box guys. Ganito lang siya dumating. Andito yung kanyang dito. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan. So yan. Tatago na natin to at ewan ko kung kailan ulit magagamit. We're not sure. And the next one I got here is I'm gonna put this down baka kasi mahulog. Babasagin ata to eh. Next one I got is this one. Ano to? I'm pretty sure this is his sticker book. Kasi si James, he loves sticker book. So, sabi ko kay Mister, he had a few last Christmas, but it's already gone. Kasi hindi niya tatantanan hanggat hindi mauubos yung sticker. So, I said to my husband, I think I need to get some more for him kasi naboboring na siya. Ang ginagawa niya, sticker, na-stick na niya, gusto niyang kunin ulit at stick, sabi ko, it's not gonna happen. Kasi hindi na siya nag-stick. So, ito, I'm sure this is it. I got the scissor. Buksan natin. Alam ko, ano to eh, 10 book ang binili ko. So, yan. Book nga. Love, look! Sweetheart! Look what mommy got here, love. What's this? Wow! Ang saya niya, oh. Nakaano siya. It comes with a little envelope. Which is good. Papakita ko sa inyo. Kung iba-ibang klase siya ng sticker. Which is, he's got wow! Is it nice? First one, he's got already this one, pero natapos na nga niya. He's got the alphabet. That one. Tapos, his next one is the dinosaur. Tapos, pangatlo is the ocean life. My little one loves books now. Tapos, seasons. And then pets. Book. This one book. Yeah, it's a book, love. Tapos things. What I said? Things that go. Are you happy? Should the camera? Is you happy boy na love mommy ba? Little spoiled brat. Next one is the woodland creatures, wasn't it? Yeah, woodland creatures. Happy. And then creepy crawlies. That one snail. Next one is the wild animals. And the last one is the space. So this is really good kasi nakakapagsalita siya ng kasi pag makita niya to, mga ganitong pictures, sinasabi niya kung ano to. Halimbawa, this one, he will say rocket. So which is really good for toddler kasi makatulong din na makapagsalita. And I will show you the stickers here. Ganito yung mga stickers, oh. Yan yung mga stickers. So, ang gagawin ko dito, maglalabas lang ako ng maybe 2. Kasi pag ilabas ko to lahat, ito tayo ayaw natantanan. You see, happy? Kiss mommy now. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Give me kiss. Kiss mommy. Oh. What do you want now? Ayan na, ayaw na niya. Ang gagawin ko nga dito is bibigyan ko lang siya ng 2 para hindi niya lahat magamit. Kasi pag ibigay mo to lahat, isang araw tapos na to. So, ang kagandahan din nito guys is every book it has over 250 sticker. Ayan, makikita. Ayan. So, mai-enjoy talaga ng mga little one. Marami siyang choices. At, look at this. It has a big sticker. Tapos, meron siyang extras na maliliit na sticker. So, for little finger, magiging busy sila. What's that? What is it, this one? Yeah, what's this?
I see.
Yeah, I see. I know you see. What's this? Turtle. Yes, it is. Oh, bless you. Excited. How about this one?
It's the one trying.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, hang on a minute. Ang susunod nating bubuksan, guys, is this one. I'm sure this is the Ringlight. Kasi kung maalala nyo last haul ko, yung number 1 basher ko talaga sa quality ng video ko is my husband. Yeah, sabi niya, why is it too dark? You got better camera and why is still too dark? I said to him, because I can't find your ring light. Hindi ko makita. Kasi to be honest, kumpleto kami ng gamit. Ay sa photography. Kasi yung asawa ko before, nung hindi pa busy, he's got everything for photography. Meron siyang mga ring light, basta marami siyang gamit, pero hindi ko siya mahanap. Sabi ko, that's what it is. Sabi ko, that time, the weather is so gloomy. Kaya, hindi ko talaga, kahit anong ganda ng camera ko, hindi ko makalikot ng maayos. To be honest, hindi ako bumili nito siya. Binilhan niya ako. Napaka-supportive. Thank you so much, my love. So, ito, bubuksan natin. Hindi yung hindi yung nagko-comment pero nanonood yun ng video ko. Kasi sabi niya, pag break time daw niya, pag may bago akong upload, pinapanood niya. Tamang-tama yun. Napanood niya. Pagdating niya sa bahay, sinabihan agad ako, what happened to your camera? What happened to your video? Ang dilim daw. Talaga tong asawa ko. Grabe yung pagkaano niya, pagkarap. Ooh, there it is. Ito na siya, guys. Oh, whoops. I'm gonna be careful. Ayan siya.
Hamburger.
Ayan. And then, the name of this, what you call him? Ring light is Gordox. Yeah, Gordox. Kasi, lahat ng mga photography stuff niya is made from this brand. Sabi niya kasi don't settle with less. Kasi nga daw, pagsisisihan mo at hindi magtatagal. Kaya, hindi niya talaga ako pinabili. Kasi, alam na niya, ang bibilhin ko is the cheaper one. Ay, Diyos ko dahil. Natitipid ang lola nyo. So, ayan siya. It comes with a phone thingy. Kung gusto mag-TikTok or whatever, meron siya for phone. And then, yung stand niya. Ayan. I-assemble ko to. And then, I will show you. Tapos, ito yata yung kanyang paa or whatever. Ito siya. Tapos, comes with a lid. Ayan yung mga clip niya. Clip. Mga accessories. And then, I don't know what else here. Buksan natin to. There's a little box. Awan ko kung anong laman nito. Oh, there you go. It's a phone holder. Phone holder siya. Ayan. Pwede siya i-360. It's really decent one. Kasi nga, decent made. Pang ano talaga to siya. Ito yung mga sabi niya. Ito daw yung mga gamit ng mga professional na mga ring light or whatsoever. Tapos, ang ring light is this one. I think he chose for the 12-inch. Ayan. Tcharan! Tama lang yung mukha ko. May space pa unti. Yeah, it's so nice. I know. So nice daw. Tapos, meron siyang, mag-adjust ng light sa color or sa, kung pwede mo siya i-dim or whatsoever. Ayan. Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, ang gagawin ko is, i-assemble ko siya and then, I will show you. And, meron na tayong on the go na tayo ngayon sa TikTok and for vlogging. Sit down vlogging. Meron ding mga guide dito na sabi na X-Pro or whatever, Chocho Barucho. So, ayan. I-assemble ko muna siya and I will show you what it looks like. Ito na ang isa. Ayaw na mag-antay.
One eternity later.
So, after 45 years, guys, finally, na-set up ko na siya. Kasi hindi biro. Yung instruction na is Chinese, so I can't figure it out. So, nag-fiddle-fiddle, and then I finally managed to set it up. So, ito na yung ating ring light. So, papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito siya. The good thing of this one is may rubber siya sa kanyang feet. Every sides, ayan may rubber siya, which is good. And, if you notice as well, maano lang siya, maiksi. And then, I rang my husband kung bakit, tinanong ko siya kung bakit ganito lang yung kanyang, ganito lang yung, yung height niya. Pero sabi niya, he done it on purpose kasi marami kaming ganitong extra stand. Kasi as I mentioned earlier, marami nga kaming mga gamit for photography. So, sabi niya, if I wanted a bit higher, I got plenty. So, yan. Sinadya niya lang daw to for my desk. Computer desk. So, ayan. Naka-off siya, guys. And then, yung mga extra mount niya is here. I got one for the camera mount. And then, another extra for the cell phone. And, kung napansin nyo dito sa taas, meron pa rin siya if you're doing a live streaming, using your phone, whatever. So, meron din siya. Ito na guys, yung kanyang controller. It has the power button to change the color. Tapos kung gusto mong dimmer or brighter. So, itatry natin kung ano ba talaga ang quality niya. This is my face without the ring light. Kasi I don't know why. And let's turn the light on. That's the first setting. Yung pinaka-bright, I think it has 6 different settings para sa color ng light. And then, the second one, we'll try. Ito yung second. Tapos, the next one, third, and then fourth. I think I like this kind of light kasi napaka-neutral niya lang. Ito talaga yung tamang tamang kulay. And then, next one, the fourth one, mga ganito lang ba, yung hindi too harsh. And then the last one, I think this one. And this one, back to normal. So, pwede mo siyang i-bright pa or dimmer, ganyan ito. Ayan. Maganda siya so far for the price kasi this is 40 pounds but so far so good. I really like it. And super sturdy naman siya. So, yan. Very good dito si Mr. guys yung ating pa-ring light. A very, very recommended stuff for vlogging. May pailaw na si Mayor. Nakabayad na ako ng kuryente. So, that's it for our video today, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And hope to see you in the next one. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you, my love. I know you're gonna watch this. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.